Hi, I'm Tilan, and even though I'm a tech fan and quite knowledgeable about it, I did a big mistake a few days ago. I installed macOS Catalina Beta 1. And here is my disastrous experience and also a warning. Enjoy! First, I spent the entire afternoon downloading this new OS. It was painful. I live in Slovenia in a rural area and the signal is not that great. I have around 20 megabits per second download speed, which is very poor. And it took me around 2 hours to download macOS Catalina installer. That's not all. I got around 5 errors and had to download it all over again. When I finally got macOS Catalina on my 13-inch MacBook Pro, I was so happy. I couldn't get off my MacBook since I was obsessed with amazing new features, especially Sidecar and new apps. And guess what? Everything didn't go as planned. My 2018 13-inch MacBook Pro got extreme performance issues, like freezing when reading a web page or crashing while working on document in Pages. After that, it started increasingly overheating. All the time, it was hotter than 17 degrees Celsius and fans were maxed out. I force quit all the apps, started my MacBook and waited for it to cool down. After a period of time, it was cold, but when I opened it, it started overheating again. Even though I didn't open a single app, I panicked since I smelled my MacBook Pro burning. But then I came to the fun part. Not really. It was the worst experience in my life. I didn't do a time machine backup before installing this new OS. I've never had such a bad experience with pre-release software. But this time I had to go back to Mojave. I put my MacBook in the recovery mode and tried to reinstall macOS from the beginning. But guess what? When I tried to do that, my computer wanted me to reinstall macOS Catalina Beta. During those attempts to save my computer, MacBook was burning. You can just imagine my reaction when thinking about my computer worth more than 2,000 euro being destroyed. I had no idea what to do. I read 1,000 articles regarding this topic and even contacted Apple support, but nothing helped. When I felt completely down, I decided to completely erase my SSD, even though I knew I would lose all the data. But at least it worked. I was able to restart my computer, came into internet recovery mode, and finally, after more than 20 attempts, got lucky and didn't get the error message minus 9000F. My MacBook Pro reinstalled macOS High Sierra. At the very end, I updated my MacBook to macOS Mojave and downloaded all the files from the iCloud. Started using my MacBook as usual. This is my story and I hope you learned something from it. Do not install macOS Beta on your primary device. If you have a device just for testing purposes, go ahead and do it, but otherwise, keep away from that beta. If you don't have iCloud set up, go and do it right now. It is an amazing feature that saved me from losing all the important data. Honestly, it's worth $10 per month. This is all for today. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon to get you notified whenever a new video is ready. Thank you all for watching, have a great day, bye.